You want to come walk over to Mommy? Why don't you do some walking again? Come on over. There you go. Come walk over to... Oh, okay. Are you getting tired? It's a lot of work, isn't it? Oh. There you go. There you go, Matthew. That's my boy. Look at you go. You're such a strong boy. Look at you go. Oh, you are so proud of yourself. So proud. Mommy and Daddy are proud too. And there you are. Are you going to go close the door? There you go. Close the door. Good job!